It does look like it's clear base, but it's not exactly white base. But yeah. So that's one slime. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the ingredients I used to make all my slimes. Number one is Elmer's washable no run school glue. It's a quarter of a gallon. Next one is Tide Free and Gentle. And you can add food coloring. Food coloring is optional. So that was my first slime. I called this slime Purple Ocean. And then I have another slime. It's a gray slime. I also made all these slimes. This one is a little stiff, but it's okay. These stretches. There's one of those pokes. It has a little bit of bubble pop. And you can stretch. And I call this one my cement slime. So this is the last slime I'm going to be showing you guys today. I call it my kiwi slime. I like this slime and it's super good. It can stretch, make bubbles, bubble pop, and it can also poke very well. This is the container I have to use for the slime. This slime holds 2 of these plastic balls, and it fills 2.5, well, 1.5 plastic balls. And that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So remember, kiwi, cement, and purple ocean. See you guys next time. Bye.